I'm Greg Copeland. I'm from Madison, Mississippi, and I own this CTLS here. I bought it last June, and I've put 60 hours on it since June. It's a great plane. It handles well, landed anywhere. It burns very little gas, very comfortable, very modern. This plane has an autopilot, GPS, everything you could want. My favorite thing about the plane, everybody that flies with me in it, that flies other planes, the first thing they say, my God, you can see out of this thing. It's what you can see everywhere. And that really, even for people that aren't used to flying, they're much more comfortable when you can see.
I've been flying for more than 45 years, and I've never flown an airplane that was as comfortable to kind of fit right in, and everything is where I would expect it to be. And I found it perhaps simpler than I thought, and although there's a lot of electronic displays, they were fairly intuitive, so I was surprised how capable they made me be. We have the Garmin 696, we have the Dynon Skyview, two of the 10-inch EFISes, and that has the autopilot and the transponder built in. And we subscribe to the XM satellite radar, so we've got the real-time radar, we've got the music in there, and we have basically all the bells and whistles I could find. We haven't really put the numbers to it. I have seen fuel flows of less than 5 gallons per hour, getting something more than 22 miles per gallon, and we're buzzing along at 110 knots or perhaps better. Very impressive, I think. I looked for a variety of aircraft and test flew several, but this one met my mission.
So what's the most enjoyable thing about ownership, do you think?
The most enjoyable thing for me about owning the plane is if my wife and I get up on Saturday morning and decide we want to eat dinner in New Orleans, we just go get in it. I don't have to call anybody or find a plane. The plane's there. It's waiting on me when I'm ready to go. And we do that a lot. It's a 50-minute flight from Jackson to New Orleans, best restaurants in the world. So I put on weight since we had the plane.